Yo, what's up everyone? It's Pam. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the exciting and ever-evolving world of drones. Today, we're talking drone business, that is. Whether you're just launching your drone operation or you're a seasoned pilot looking to scale up in 2024, this video is packed with key strategies for success. We'll break down everything from understanding market demand to staying ahead of the curve, all to help you take your drone business to the next level. So let's dive in. Before you even think about flying, you gotta understand the lay of the land. What kind of drone services are hot right now? Is it aerial photography for real estate, inspections for infrastructure companies, or maybe something totally niche like agricultural surveys? Research is key here. Dive deep into your local market, analyze the competition, and identify gaps that your drone business can fill. Remember, specialization is your friend. The more targeted your services, the better you can tailor your skills and marketing efforts. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Find your lane and own it. All right, so you've got a feel for the market. Now it's time to talk tech. In the drone world, your equipment is everything. We're talking drones, cameras, gimbals, software, the whole 9 yards. Investing in quality, reliable gear is non-negotiable. Think about it. You're putting your reputation and the success of your business on the line with every flight. A subpar drone with shaky footage just won't cut it. Do your research, compare specs, and don't be afraid to invest in professional-grade equipment. Remember, this is an investment in the future of your drone business. Let's be real. In 2024, if you're not online, you're practically invisible. Building a strong online presence is crucial for any drone business. First things first, a professional-looking website is a must. Think of it as your digital storefront, showcasing your services, portfolio, and contact info. But don't stop there. Social media is your secret weapon. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are perfect for sharing stunning drone footage, behind-the-scenes content, and engaging with potential clients. Stay active. Post regularly, and watch your online presence soar. The drone community is full of passionate individuals and businesses. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with other drone enthusiasts. Building relationships can lead to collaborations, referrals, and even mentorship opportunities. Remember, you don't have to navigate the drone world alone. Forming strategic partnerships can open doors to new markets and opportunities. Team up with photographers, videographers, or even businesses in complementary industries to expand your reach and offer bundled services. The drone industry is constantly evolving. New technologies, regulations, and trends are emerging all the time. To stay competitive, you've got to embrace continuous learning. Attend workshops, get certified in specialized areas, and stay updated on the latest drone news and regulations. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and thrive in this dynamic industry. Remember, learning is an investment in yourself and the longevity of your drone business. That's it for today's video. We've covered a lot of ground from market research to the importance of continuous learning. Remember, building a successful drone business takes time, effort, and a passion for all things drone. Use the tips and strategies we've discussed as a roadmap for your journey. The drone industry is full of potential, and with the right approach, you can achieve some seriously impressive results. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on growing your drone business. See you in the next video.